Hi, I'm Lexi from the Bowdabra Design Team. Let's make an everlasting Valentine's Day gift for someone special. Get a box of Lego flowers and put them together. You'll get as much joy out of this gift as the recipient will. Once they're built, set them aside. Time to dress them up for presentation. Take a length of Bowdabra Bow Wire, fold it in half, and place it into the mini Bowdabra. I pre-cut and already dovetailed my tails. Find the center and place it down into the Bowdabra. Next, we're going to make a fold and twist bow. Find the pretty side of the ribbon and leave about an inch overhang and place the pretty side down into the Bowdabra. Fold a loop over and make a very good twist to turn the ugly side of the ribbon up. Now repeat this step. Once you've made the first two bottom loops, when you cross back over to the other side, taper the next set of loops in slightly to be smaller than the first set. Lastly, we want to end this bow with a button loop center, making that last loop about 1 inch. Now it's time to tie it up. Take the loose ends of the bow wire and thread them through the looped end. Pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, then remove it. Bring the loose wires to the back of the bow and tie them up in a double knot. Make sure to tie it up very tight so nothing slips out when you're fluffing the bow. Let's fluff this bow out now. I start with my button loop and get it rounded out and centered. Then I poof out the rest of my loops. The last step of fluffing this bow is running the tails between my fingers. And that's it! Now it's time to dress up the Lego flowers for presentation. I left the excess bow wires on so I could tie this bow around the Lego flowers and foliage that I already put in my bud vase. You can tie it around the neck of the vase if you want, but I went around the stems on mine so it would hold them in place better, like I arranged them. Once tied, I cut off the excess bow wires and gave my bow one last touch up fluffing. And just look how adorable this turned out. Happy Valentine's Day, thanks for watching.